turning to another area of your work, in March 2019, we saw a conference at the Council of Europe on the subject of whistleblowers.
Yes,
and
exactly.
indeed, arguably the most famous whistleblower indeed in the world, Edward Snowden, took part in that conference himself.
Exactly.
And what I wanted to know then, the European Committee of Legal Cooperation was behind a text on that subject, I believe, in 2014. Tell me more about that.
Well, it all has to do again with human rights, and especially one thing which is extremely important in today's politics, in today's day-to-day activities, which is transparency and ethics. Well, what is a whistleblower? It's probably, for people at home to understand, a whistleblower is someone who during their work they find something, they find a harm or a threat to the public interests, and they make it, either they make it public or they report it internally so that action can be made. For instance, let me give you an example. For instance, if an infrastructure is being constructed and someone who works for the contractor knows, because he read any file, that something is going wrong, there is a misconduct, he can either go to an internal organization within is a working relation saying, be careful, this is wrong, it may harm because the infrastructure may collapse, people may die because of that, or you can go public and talk to someone like you, to a journalist, for instance, making it public. And this is about transparency, this is about defending the public interest. And those people, the whistleblowers, and why are they called whistleblowers? Because actually to blow the whistle, they speak out. So those people need protection. And what we decided to do is that we needed to give member states some kind of recommendation, some kind of guidance in the way how their legal framework, but not only the legal, also the institutional framework should be prepared to deal with those people who report or disclose any threat or any harm to the public interest. So what kind of measures should they have in order to prevent any kind of retaliation? How to preserve their confidentiality? What channels should be available for people to report or to disclose this information? So again, it's all about transparency, it's all about ethics, it's all about achieving the public interests according to the best values of the European Court of Human Rights and obviously the Council of Europe values. And we approved we proposed recommendations that the Committee of Ministers approved very recently, as you said, and now it's time for the states to promote and on their own legal systems those recommendations.